Hi guys, in this video I am going to discuss on how to add polynomials. In adding polynomials, we simply combine similar terms. When we say similar terms, these are terms with the same variable and the same exponents. Okay, let's have some examples. Number 1, 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 plus 3x squared plus 2x. Now in here, this is just the same as 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 then plus 3x squared plus 2x. Now we're going to follow the rules, which is we simply combine like terms. Now in here, like terms will be 2x squared and 3x squared, so we're going to have 2x squared plus 3x squared. So they are similar terms because they have the same variable and the same exponent. Then we have here negative 5x and 2x. So you're going to have here plus negative 5x plus 2x. Then the remaining will be plus 2. So 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared. Then negative 5x plus 2x is negative 3x. Then plus 2. Example number 2. 3x to the power of 4 plus 7x cubed minus 2x squared plus x. Then added to 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3. So this is just equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 7x cubed then minus 2x squared plus x then plus 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3. Then combining like terms, so 3x to the power of 4, so you just copy it because it is the only term with power of 4. Then you have here 7x cubed and 2x cubed, so you can combine the two. So plus 7x cubed plus 2x cubed. Then we have here negative 2x, so you're going to have plus negative 2x squared. Then plus 4x squared. Then we have here plus x. Then last will be plus 3. So you're going to copy 3x to the power of 4. Then 7x cubed plus 2x cubed, that will be 9x cubed. So you're going to have here plus 9x cubed. Then negative 2x squared plus 4x squared is 2x squared, so you're going to have plus 2x squared. Then we're going to copy plus x, then plus 3. Okay, last one. 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 3 plus 2 plus 4y plus y squared minus y cubed. So this is just equal to 2y cubed minus 8y squared plus 3 then plus 2 plus 4y plus y squared minus y cubed. Combining like terms, we're going to have here 2y cubed and negative y cubed, so we're going to have minus y cubed. Then for squared, we have plus negative 8y squared plus y squared. Then we have here 4y, so plus 4y. Then you have here 3 and 2, so we're going to have plus 3 plus 2. So 2y cubed minus y cubed, that will be y cubed. Then negative 8y squared plus y squared, that will be negative 7y squared. Then we're going to have plus 4y, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, so plus 5. I hope this video helped you. Thank you and goodbye.